Hello everyone, I'm going to be unboxing this iPhone mic that I got. It has two mics and a charging case, and it has like the lightning port adapter. I bought this because I previously got a different mic, but I know it works fine with the iPhone. I'm still in the return period, and this was $80 cheaper. This was $120, as opposed to $200. No, it was a mobile mic, the other one. And that one didn't have like an all-in-one case. It's a lot bulkier. So I want to see if this can do the same job for cheaper and a kind of a nicer case, but there wasn't that many reviews on this, so okay. I know from what I saw on Amazon, this is like one of those brands that aren't real. It's a bunch of different, same product under different names. So packaging's nice. USB-C, which is good. Okay, it has like the noise deadening thing. I think it's called a dead cat to get rid of like the wind noise. Okay, here's the actual unit. This is definitely bigger than an AirPod case, but still pretty small. So let me pull out my AirPods so you can see a size comparison. Alright, is the AirPods Pro case. So yeah, there's the size difference. Still pocketable for me, but yes, definitely bigger than AirPods. USB Type-C port. Build quality feels okay. Not very premium, not bad. Okay, so here's the part with the lightning. Here's the part with the lightning port where it goes into your iPhone. I'll put this back so I don't lose it. Okay, so it magnetizes in, which is nice. These are one of the clips that you would put on someone's clothes or whatever, the wireless part of the mic. Not sure how to turn this on. I have to check how to turn this on. Okay, put this back in, or maybe it's not even charged, I don't know. Okay, I like the case so far. Same thing. Okay. I left it charging for a while. As you can see, these two are blinking when I open it. These two are receivers. So like the lapel mic, this is what you actually clip on yourself, and this is what you plug into the phone. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then you can hear the audio that comes through it. You're obviously not going to be able to see it on the phone because I'm recording this with my phone. Okay, so you see this one. Let me go ahead and put the receiver on first, actually, before I plug this in. Oh yeah, I see it. It's blinking. I think I haven't looked at the instructions, but I think that means because I think it'll go solid once I plug this in. Okay, I clipped it onto myself. I'm going to close this because I don't want this one to pair. I don't know what's going to happen if I close it. But yeah, I'm going to close that one and put this on. I'll record from it, but I'm going to walk away from here and give a sound test and see if you guys can let me know how it sounds. If it sounds good, then you guys know to buy it. I'm like 5 feet away right now. Now probably 20 feet away. And if it sounds good, that means it works pretty good if it's clear. I'm assuming the audio is recording from here. If it's not, I'm going to have to redo the sound test. I'm inside right now, so there's a little bit of background noise, but it should be relatively quiet. There's a little bit of some fan noise going on. Let me walk outside, and if the signal drops, then we know how strong the signal is. And also we can see how it's not really windy, but there'll be a little bit of noise. So now I'm outside. This is an outside sound test. And I'm going to walk back to the phone now and then end the video, and we can kind of hear how it sounded throughout the video.